Dude, those birds are like, I'm out of here, motherfucker.
Right, mother trucker.
Whole freaking sky is covered in rain clouds.
I know, it's like all gray.
Too.
Yeah,
And then
it's really
thunder.
gray over here though.
That thunder is crazy.
Look at that over there. Look at that formation over there. This is crazy. Like southern highlands is just getting pummeled with water. Don't look through your camera, dude. Look above the camera, because you'll miss half the lightning bolts. I realized that last night. I was looking at a bunch of them, and I tried to capture them through my phone, but it sucks. You know what I'm saying? It's like you might as well just keep it in one area, you know, and just look around for other ones.
How fast they're moving.
So, oh, there's a good one over there. I'm almost tempted to go out into the front yard. I want to say it storms more this way. Yeah, I want to go to the front yard. Move, booger butt. Nice.
Oh, yeah. He's gonna get sick.
Oh, I love Dude, I don't know if I even got that one.
That was huge.
Yeah, that was right there. I think the camera was looking at it. I think the camera was looking at it.
Go get keys real quick. Don't stand out there like this. He's gonna get sick. We're gonna have to go get keys or go get clothes. I'm just asking you real quick. Oh, shit.
Oh. Dude, that was just going. Did you hear it? This shit's close, dude. It's like scary close. Like it could hit us.
It could.
It could. And a lot of the heat that derives from, like, you know, the bottom energy is from houses, you know, and just housing itself. Oh, that was a good one. Too bad I didn't get it. I went for that one might have been up there. Yeah, there it goes. That was high up there. It wasn't as close to the ground as it was. Last night, I'm telling you, it was right above us. It had to have been right above us. Yeah, now we got the little wind coming in.